I had this experience with my kid early on when I got into the family. We do kind of nightly ritual where we lay in bed and tell each other an inventory. We'll take a moral inventory of the day and things that didn't sit right with us. And one of the things that wasn't sitting right was the way that I responded to our youngest, who came to me and said, my knee hurts. And I just went into wrote what the way I was parented. I basically said, you'll be fine, in not so many words.
Toughen up, Buttercup.
Yeah. And I didn't feel good about it. It felt very like I was pushing her away. It's like this moment in parenting that I think that there's a fear of vulnerability, a fear of, oh, what if they are really hurt? And that was kind of the way that I was raised. And I think in this moment, when I was telling Glennon, she just said, well, you can apologize to her. And I was like, I'm sorry, excuse me.
Head blown, yes.
I'm like, but parents don't do that. Parents don't apologize, because that had never happened in my whole life. So the next morning I wake up and Emma's eating her cereal, and I kind of explained the story, like, this thing happened last night and you came to me with your injury, and I didn't handle it right, and I'm so sorry, and I want you to always feel confident and comfortable coming to me with anything, even if it's a toenail that you're feeling uncomfortable about. And she just was like eating her cereal, and she was like, okay, great, moving on. And it was this really important moment for me that not only did it feel unnatural to apologize to a child, my own child, but it also felt very healing. Like, I think that what we get wrong is that we think that we are just the way that we are, and this is the way that it will be. But parenting is this beautiful, unique opportunity to reparent ourselves. And so in this apology with my child, I was having this experience where I felt uncomfortable. I felt scared. And then it happened, and she was so great about it and loving that I just thought, oh, I bet you there were probably a lot of things my mom wanted to apologize for.